Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Poole, just next to Bournemouth, to go and have a look around the harbour and see all the sights. So come along with me and let's go for an explore.
Yo, Itsajackslife, pack your bags, let's roll. From first class flights to that budget hotel, planes, trains, tourist games, we're on the move. Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set, living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. Itsajackslife, adventure's great.
So we're going to start up here just at the top of the harbour. This is where they make all the super yachts. These are Sunseekers. So these are pretty cool. And then this jetty here, this is where you go on the harbour cruises. And I think you can go on trips that go around Brownsea Island and back. I think there's also trips to Swanage and places. That's all pretty cool. Lovely morning to go for an explore. So let's head down here. I don't know if this picks up on the camera, but there's loads of little fishes swimming around here. Water's pretty clear. This is where the police boats are. They got cool looking boats, haven't they? Very cool. The police don't have those where I'm from. It's a lovely sunny morning to come and have a look around Poole Harbour. Show it off really nicely. Just coming up here, these are the yellow ferries. These are the ones that go to Brownsea Island, I think. Ooh, look at these steps going down to the water. How fun. So what's this one called? Maid of the Harbour. And the other one's the Maid of Poole. You wouldn't miss these though, would you? Bright yellow. Harbour cruise, £13 per person, £7 for children. Jurassic cruise. Nice. Bit of a sculpture that you can walk up. Let's go up to the top. I think this is called the Sea Music Sculpture. You get a good view here of the town. Lots of nice pubs, King's Head, Da Vinci's Drift. Obviously a good look over the whole harbour. Look at those £1 million yachts. God, I dream of one of them. We're going to carry on this way up to the main harbour. Beautiful looking pubs around here. It's the Portsmouth Hoe. And look at this one, the Green Goddess, the Poole Arms. Phenomenal. Right, so and the Quay, another nice little pub. The cafe, the Jolly Sailor. So if you're rich and you have a boat, you can come more up here. Some good looking boats. I was trying to find if there's any funny names, but they all seem to have normal names today. But know what it's like to be rich. The Calypso. That just sounds nice. It's not funny at all. So this is the Poole Quay Hotel right on the front here. Obviously they've named the bar the Anchor Bar. Good name when you're in a harbour. Maybe it was just named after this giant anchor. Might have found the best looking Weatherspoons. Beautiful. The Lord Wimborne. This is just the entrance to the town centre, so let's go check out the high street. I've heard before that Poole is the centre for Scientology in the UK, and here is their church of Scientology in Dorset. I wonder if Tom Cruise has ever visited.
Let's go.
She only just got through. So this is interesting. So there's a train crossing in the town centre. You can go up to the bridge and go across if you don't want to wait. Or you can wait for the train to come through. And it's the main high street and then the big shopping mall at the end. The registry office is pretty nice, isn't it? Beautiful. All grain and sea merchants. Very cool. We've got the Guildhall Tavern. And this has been noted by Michelin as being a good place to eat. Not quite a star, but it's in the guide. 2 AA rosettes. Nice. Give this place a go. Cool looking stone houses. We got the Hotel de Vin. Very nice building. The King Charles, built in 1350. Beautiful. So that completes my trip round Poole Harbour and the town centre. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Dropping reviews, making travel smooth. Sky high vibes, tracks down low. Jet set living everywhere we go. Hit subscribe, take the journey, don't wait. It's a